Hi there, and welcome to Lindapter's 2020 virtual NCSEA booth. My name is Patrick Harris. I'm a Vice President of Technical Sales here at Lindapter, and I very much appreciate you taking the time to spend with us and check out the information we have. In this short video, you're going to learn a little bit more about some of our new ICC reports. So we've had, for a number of years, we've had an ICC report covering all seismic design categories for our hollow bolt. That's our blind fastener or one-sided fastener for structural steel, primarily used in HSS. But just recently, just this year, we've obtained an ICC report for all seismic design categories for our girder clamp type AF and AAF. And what that means is that we're the only company in the world that has a friction-based clamp, a girder clamp system that has an ICC report for all seismic design categories in North America. So please check that out, and we'd love to talk to you about that as well. And then the rest of this video talks about Lindapter a little more, so some of our global projects and some of our other products that you might not be aware of. So if you're just getting started with Lindapter, we've been around for over 85 years. We specialize in the design and the manufacture of steel-to-steel connection products, primarily that are used when you don't want to drill holes in the field or you don't want to weld in the field. And of course, there are many, many applications where it's impractical, impossible, economically infeasible. Lots of reasons why drilling is not desirable or welding is not desirable in the field. And we provide solutions to those problems with real structural connections. Again, some of them have ICC reports to back them up. So if you have such an application or something you think of, I'd love to see it. Please send it to me or one of my team members. And we have a free design service that we provide. We'll take your information. We just really need to know the dimensional information on the steel members you're trying to connect, and then the loads that will be acting on them in tension and shear. And we can take that information and do a CAD design for you of what that connection would look like based on Lindapter's products. So it's free. It usually takes 24 to 48 hours, and it will give you a really good idea of how Lindapter can help your connections. So please let us take a shot at that. So in the meantime, again, I very much appreciate you taking the time to look at us, download some of the materials here in our virtual booth, and once again, contact myself or one of my team members if you have any questions whatsoever. Take care in these crazy 2020 times. Thank you.
Global iconic structures, from Sydney Harbour Bridge to St Pancras Station. All examples of great modern engineering. So what's the connection? Engineers across the world are increasingly challenged to transform groundbreaking design into viable structures. Lindapter offers innovative steel connections for structural sections, building services, and steel flooring. The primary benefit is the speed and ease of installation. As welding or drilling is not required, potential safety risks are also reduced. Lindapter strictly enforces a quality management system to ensure only premium quality products leave the production line. Supplying into multiple markets allows our products to be used in a wide variety of applications. Let's take a look at a few project examples. At the Kimmel Center for the Performing Arts in Philadelphia, Lindapter hollow bolts were used to connect the arch trusses that form the 150-foot-high barrel vault roof. Contractors were able to join the structural hollow sections with unprecedented speed. as the hollow bolts were simply inserted into pre-drilled holes and tightened using standard hand tools. The design also eradicated the possibility of tube deformation that can be associated with through bolting if the bolts are over-tightened. The resulting steelwork is not only structurally sound, but aesthetically pleasing, presenting a clean, symmetrical appearance. Lindapter designed a connection to overcome the challenges of connecting a new roof to the historical St Pancras station in London. Drilling the Victorian beams was not permitted, and welding was not possible. Variations in height due to sagging also had to be accommodated. Lindapter designed a bespoke solution that allowed a new steel-framed roof to be simply clamped to the original arches without any damage to the structure. The connection also provided height adjustability to optimize alignment of the curved roof. The Haley 5 research station proves that Lindapter products are made to last. When the project started in 1989, engineers required a method of connecting the structural steelwork in the hostile Antarctic environment. Drilling or welding would have been incredibly difficult, if not impossible, in the sub-zero temperatures and blizzards. Lindapter proposed a custom product development, and following successful testing, special girder clamps were manufactured from Blackheart malleable iron. These were supplied part-assembled to make it easier for the contractors to install wearing bulky gloves. The connections have survived for over 23 years, in temperatures as low as -50. Lindapter takes great pride in offering only the best quality products, and this philosophy extends to every stage of customer service. The technical support department consists of a team of dedicated and experienced engineers that provide a free design service. For the occasional instance where there is an unusual connection requirement, specialists in our research and development team are on hand to invent and manufacture new custom products. Both teams are supported by the latest technology, including 3D modeling, rapid prototyping, and finite element analysis, in addition to 2 in-house test machines. By utilizing our unique expertise and R&D capability, engineers are offered a solution to almost any connection requirement. Over 75 years, Lindapter has grown from a modest family business into an innovative global brand. With offices in the UK, France, Germany, and the USA, and with distributors in all major countries, there is always a Lindapter connection near you.